Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 29th of May 2014 market review. As you can see, the trade for the day is called Standard Bank. And the blue line here on the chart is Standard Bank physically here. And the code is SBK. The last traded price is 142 Rand. The action, you can play it from a high to a low level. So the call on the newsletter is an entry level of 142 Rand 31. You play it from a high to a low, and your target will be 134.75. Move requirement is 5.31%. The stop loss on this trade will be used at 146.9. So let's interpret this. Currently the share is trading here close to the blue dotted line here. The expectation is it could break down, and if it breaks down, it breaks 142.31. That entry there. You could go to a low of 134.75. If it's going to bounce again here, it could go back to 146.09. That is on the stop loss level here, so please use that as a stop loss level, 146.09. Going back to the newsletter, Mr. Price is also added here. MPC, last traded price is 164.25. There could be opportunity to trade the share downwards from a high to a low. Entry level is 164.99, and your target is going to be 154.96. Expectation requirement on this move is 6.08%. Please use the stop loss of 170 Rand should the share not go further downwards and start to rise again. As you can see on the newsletter, the open trades is Shoprite from Estec and the Foschini Group. Still open trades on the market. The share that was activated was called Nedbank. It's a completed trade. The share entry level was 231.22. Exit date was yesterday on the 28th of May on a level of 224 Rand. The share actually went against the movement, and the loss level was 3.12%. As you can see here, the blue line is the top 40 shares here. So the blue line here is the movement upwards, and you can see the green line is support and the red line is resistance. Again on the top here, please take note that the top 40 shares could have a positive opening in early trade today. So far it's 110 points positive, but we will see how they open at 8:30. Go to the industrials on the Dow Jones. This is the American stock market. And as you can see, last night I actually lost 42 points, trading at 166 Rand, 16,633 points. So they're basically trading just above this level here. They did come a bit down, but the futures are again positive today with about 33 points. So they trading in this small range here and still testing the 23.6%. And as you can see, look at this green line, that is the confirmation of support on 23.66%, and that level is 16,400, and it's currently trading at 16,633 points. So small upward channel. If it breaks at any time this levels here, downward side could be due. Let's go back to the J200. Looking at the J200, yesterday we lost a bit of momentum as well in this positive upward channel. Please take note of this 23.6% here. That is a level of 44,278. Currently trading at 44,732. So there could be still a bit of a downside here, but if you draw this green line up here, it's supporting you on the 23.6%. Still positive. Nothing concluded there is a breakdown as yet in the market. Still in a positive channel. Shoprite. Look at this Shoprite here, as expected. Highs, lows, highs, lows. Look at this channel start breaking this green line downwards. Currently trading at 165 Rand. Next expectation low on this channel could be approximately close to 161 Rand in the short term. Mr. Price still trading between this channels here for me. Look at this highs and lows here as expected. If you draw the green line up here, it's going to give you support on the 23.6%. On a level of 163.89, currently trading at 164.25. At any time it breaks this 163.50 level, more downside will be due, because then it's going to break this green line. If you connect it here downwards, and the next low could be 160. Going to Woolies. Woolies is also trading in a sideways pattern, but I'm not going to enter it until this has broken the 23.6% on the Fibonacci of 75.28. At that time, you can really look to break down because the next lows could be close to the 61%. Look at this similar patterns, low, high, and this could be the high of this levels here. There's also a low high, back to the lows, and back to the lows, and this could be another pattern forming here. Looking at Truworths, Truworths has got the same pattern as Shoprite, as you can see, up, down, up, down, up, down, and starting to fall down. Currently trading at 80.66. Next low expectation is $79 on the specific trade. Barclays Bank. Barclays Bank is still in this bit of upward channel. Current trading range, those two lows there is 155, and the current highs is about 157, 158. This is the small channel in the big channel that's still going upwards here, but still sideways, no confirmation of a big breakdown as yet. First trend as well, went up, sideways, forming a bit of a head and shoulder pattern there. There's the leg, there's the shoulder, there's the leg, there's the shoulder. Could expect this one to come down back to this purple level here, from 39 Rand 46 back to about 39 Rand to 38 Rand 50. Capitec. Capitec's got the same pattern here, and there's two black lines here, up, down, up, down, up, down. 225 is the high, 222 is the low. We need to see it any time it breaks to 222, back to 220 level. But let's see where the pattern can bring us into. Breaking new highs systematically. It's going more up than down at this moment. No indication of a big breakdown as yet. Still in the positive channel going upwards, but the share is quite high as well. Vodacom. Look at this bargain hunt is coming in here. Tested the 61.8% on the Fibonacci, breaking up. Currently testing this level of 128 here. Keep a close eye. At any time it breaks this 128.50 level. Currently trading at 127.90, 128, 128.50 to 129. You can get a breakdown happening up again. This could be a reversal head and shoulder. There's the leg, there's the shoulders, there's the head. And if it breaks this 128, it could go back easily back to the 132 levels from current levels. So let's see what this one is also doing. CFR breaking new record highs at this moment at 110.27, still in the sideways pattern as well. So you can see a lot of shares are high and there's some low at this moment. Markets are quite high. We're going to keep the job figures due at 2:30 today of the Americans. Let's see how that will lead the market. But currently the market seems to have a bit of a positive opening for early trade during the course of today. Enjoy your trading, traders.